So I'm at the Supercharger here in Florence. Need to charge. I'm at 36%. Let's see how it goes. This guy. Today's a muggy day. Still blue? Green. Nice. Let's see how it goes. I'm at 36%, charging to 80, 130 kilowatts. Pretty good. 137, 39, 140. These again are 150 kilowatts superchargers. So this is pretty good. Let's hope there's another guy that doesn't. Yeah, no, good. He went to charge to the last one. Still, some people don't understand how supercharging works and the stalls and all that stuff. Anyway, we'll do the Supercharger Talk number 27. This time there are several news about Tesla and Tesla World. So on the October 10th, there is the Robotaxi event, and it's going to be at Hollywood location. And there was a Robotaxi spotted. It was it was yellow. It had lots of camouflage, so you really couldn't tell that it was what was the shape and the look and feel of this car. Okay, so you could tell there were only two doors, but you couldn't tell everything else. And also there are some hints that at the Robotaxi event it won't be only about the Robotaxi. So we'll see how it goes, if it's something about the bot or maybe a new vehicle or something. I don't know, we'll see. So another, what is today, 28 to now 13 days to go. Pretty good. So another thing that not many people know, that if you're in an accident, you can request data from Tesla. So you can make this request and Tesla will send you all the data that the car has at the moment of the accident. So it will help you to figure out what's going on and the camera views and all that stuff. Okay, there are a bunch of firmware, Tesla updates, or firmware, whatever you call it. So I counted 4 different Tesla updates. So there is the 2024.27.10, which is going out in the US. It has a bunch of FSD updates. Then there is the 32.3.5, 32.5.4, and then .4.1. So there are a bunch of different things, and depending on your location, depending on what car you have, if you're older car, if it's Intel or AMD, and all that stuff. Another thing in that they mention, Tesla has a smart child seat. So in the back, you can put a child seat, and it has a smart feature. That's interesting, and if you have a family and stuff, it'll be good to look into it. Here, I know that here in Europe, at least in Italy, the child seats need to have a Bluetooth connection to your phone with an app to make sure that you don't leave your kid inside the car. Unfortunately, sometime happened, and it's a safety feature which is good. Then not many people know that, but if you go to the browser of the Tesla, let me show you the what is the browser? Always here, the browser, and you type something, I don't know, Tesla, okay, Tesla. Okay, and we go to Tesla. You can swipe left and right. You see? So if you swipe right, right goes back, left goes to the next page. Okay, pretty cool. Nice new feature. And then in EU, it's coming a 7-seater Model Y. We don't know yet when. It was announced in China, but looks like it's coming to Europe too. And then I wanted to mention a bug that I found in the UI, the interface. So if you are in the interface and you select the climate control, now I put an icon here to the wipers, okay, so that I can, let me show you the wipers here. So I can use the wipers right away, okay? But if you pull up the control, climate control, and you push this button for the wipers, they don't come up. Basically, the wiper interface is under the climate control. And I know this because if I push some other up, yeah, now it disappeared because it was too long, okay? I put that, and here is the wipers interface, okay? So looks like that the climate control on the stack of interfaces is on top, and if you push the wipers, it's underneath. And I can show you that if I do this and I use I don't know, the energy, it goes to energy. If I push the wipers, it pops up the wipers, and climate control goes on top. If I push again the wipers, I would assume that this would go down, the climate would go down, and the wipers will show up, okay, because it's selected. So I posted a video. If you know someone at Tesla, please show this video. Send a link, and because this is annoying. When you select an app, it should go on top of the stack of the UI. Anyway, other cars are coming. Oh no, it's not. It's a Volvo. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to wait to finish the charge, and I'll get back to you. Done. Paid 18 euros for 37 kilowatts. Pretty good. Let's move. And let's get out of here. So, Supercharger Talk number 27. Everything went well. Charge was good. I think there are some people who want to charge here because they have a Model S with an older charger. So please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.